down at town and I say we are buy.
You carry something, man. You carry something, you know. You carry something in my bag.
Then make we start eating.
Then that me a pull bag. I pull the bag and
Make we
take out.
start eating.
You carry something, man.
You have a drink.
Everything in that bag. So they put you back and feed money.
Whoa! String it, babe.
You know this we can run it. And this we can.
Me no want that.
You don't want this.
Me no want that.
You don't want that.
No. Good when you say you have something.
There's some water for me.
Me are pretty and Doreen. I look for you come out with a dish.
I said pan me I look for with chicken and something.
Yeah, man. The mango me can string it. Yes, we can. They may run for the season, stringy mango. Who don't know them call them dairy mango. I best mango them in the world and them hear Miss Cherry eat. And them hear Miss Cherry lie.
They like how you live, you know. Because here one now, you live with the season.
Definitely.
If a mango season, a straight mango, you eat till mango.
Till breadfruit come in.
So I'm just done with you, you know. And we put we a lot, you know. So mango start now, so my mango we are dealing with, man.
So in a way, when you come in, bag you carry down.
Bag load of Safia, me come go with you know, they no Safia time.
That's the marks if a market you go.
No man, we carry go put down to eat.
So if you got kitchen.
Yes, sire. Yes, sire.
You never know, I say you're rough.
Yeah man, that's how we put with Safia when it's season.
Yes.
When a breadfruit season, you know you breadfruit.
1-1.
No man, a
We
breadfruit.
eat it so like what?
Breadfruit season, breadfruit.
A breadfruit me eat.
From mango season,
Mango. Yeah.
Sunday to Sunday.
Sunday
can't
to
bother with that.
Sunday, man.
Me can't bother with that.
All kind of breadfruit.
Suppose me feel if it's something else. The breadfruit me have to eat.
In the breadfruit time.
Me can't bother with that.
Tell me say no. Too much of one thing good for nothing.
That a one or what thing. Too much of which thing? No sir.
Yeah, you eat breadfruit straight.
Brother, you change up the style. You bake breadfruit, you fry breadfruit, you boil breadfruit, you make breadfruit punch, breadfruit salad, yes.
Same breadfruit.
But a different way you deal with it. So
But I tell you it is.
But I see a breadfruit.
and it is different. You
You
put
said
breadfruit salad,
VAT.
you crush the breadfruit in a road and mix your mayonnaise with it and you will cook butter and something same way too, you know. And crush that, put in your fridge, you know.
Can me
When you
roast the
share it with rice
breadfruit?
and peas, you put one spoon of that against the same way with your little
If I
fish
roast the
gravy, you
breadfruit
know.
and me fry ya man, I said thing, same way it
No,
is.
it's pretty, that a
I
fried
said
bread.
we-
And mango season, me turn down my pot, them a mango me a eat.
Yes, Miss Cherry.
That's a damn way
Hey,
for you.
Miss Cherry, no other mango but string, you know. A string, favorite mango. Yes.
Sweet, you know.
Anyway, then
And then you see my pick out.
I East Indian me love.
stringy mango.
My
But you
best
know,
mango that
Portland
you know.
carry the most mango. Out of all the other parish, most Portland have more mango, you know.
What you mean?
You know, see the amount of mangoes, different species of mango where they are Portland.
No. But the more you spoil a ear time.
And that me I tell you about
Majority
now.
spoil, you know.
Majority spoil a year
You
time.
know, see, depending on what factory. When you make all mango, all apple, breadfruit, and stuff to make juice.
Yeah.
You know, would have better
Portland, go on a Portland side, they would have make a money. Would have make a money when the season then come around.
apple.
Because the amount of the apple then will spoil every year. The mango then spoil, the breadfruit then spoil. All of the citrus then spoil a year
We
time.
can eat we
Mango where we can't eat. Yeah, and some people will carry some like the market and try to sell it, but some back some to some people when not have it like that. But majority still spoil. Majority still spoil, man. You see, we have good resources, you know, but we don't pay no attention to it. We don't pay no attention to it. You can't bet me lie. Them fruit you wouldn't waste in another country.
Because even they said palm tree, I want to know. You know, all them little
All them berry we drop off 5 people use them make wine. And some farmer oil. Yeah, them have use.
You go in a supermarket and see that.
Yeah. But that's not say everything spoiled in the country like everything. Them citrus here. Most of the citrus them will be right here time. Whether them grow wild or them have to plant it or whatever privately. But them spoil. Most of them spoil a year time. We no get no benefit from them. Them don't just go back to the earth. You understand? Because right now if you go in a certain country area, mango, these type of mango especially, them here are number 11. Stringy mango and number 11. Them they are stone dog. People that call you say them are stone dog. And nobody we can't eat it, we can't eat so much either too. We can't eat all of you here. Yeah. You pick up 2 of the best one, 2 in your bag.
I think I want to walk there on that tree.
In throw some game, same way, or your donkey, your time under the tree, make it eat up some. And you goat them, we pass through and
We
come
animal,
eat.
we livestock, them you have to make help
We make
with them.
help with them, exactly. So most of the fruits them spoil, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
we need more attention
to
the fruits them.
Yeah.
Because we can make money off of them, you know. We can make more money than where some people even make now.
We keep more better health.
And of course, we keep
You
better
them-
health.
We have more brighter youth though.
Yeah,
Because you know, them are eat these fruits, you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then fruits are good for we.
Oh, you mean?
Because remember when we are youth and are growing already, we eat more fruits more than what we eat now, you know.
Yeah.
Because those days we don't have no town here if we go encounter with, you know. Because we not left out of our country zone, you know.
Yeah, just with fruits.
And so during the daytime, right, we live off where we have our own way.
Yeah.
You know, so we live
And you
off
never
all
have
of the
a problem
fruits them.
with it?
No. You never have no problem with we and that, you know. So remember people, me I tell you the truth, you know, we need to put more use to them fruit here, to more use and benefits from them. Yeah, we need some factories where we can sell them too. And we need some people to come around and when the fruits time then ready, we know say yeah, we can create up a mango them. Yeah man, and we have market for them. Yeah, breadfruit.
Caldo juice, good for your system.
Oh, you mean all of them. You know, we need market for them things, for them kind of produce there. And you don't know what to. Would I take more care of the mango tree too?
Yeah.
Would I take more care of the breadfruit tree too? Because look here, you see Upper St. Thomas and Yalas and them place there. They no cut down East Indian tree, you know. No care how the house I got big way of making a yard. The East Indian tree have to still stay there, you know, because era. East Indian sell a St. Thomas, you know.
Yeah.
Everyone will be here up there year time sale.
East Indian mango build the house.
Alright. So then now cut down the tree then. Alright, when you touch Portland now, you have some place like Snow Hill, Norwich. You can't cut a man breadfruit tree in Norwich, you know. In Killy if you cut in breadfruit tree. And when them are picky a year time, they don't make the limb them break. Them picky in a way where they don't damage the tree. Because here and Norwich people live off of them breadfruit, you know.
Yeah.
Me can't tell anybody that, you know. Norwich and Snow Hill are two places in a Portland where them people there protect them breadfruit tree them.
Yeah.
Because here when it touch breadfruit season, Norwich carry the best breadfruit. So then them picky and carry a Kingston, but sell it. Then sell them breadfruit at town and then live on the main road. So if them pick 6 breadfruit and put here then gate, before them go back down a yard to the next 6, then 6 they gone. Because any car a drive past take you up from you, you know. So when you catch to Norwich and Snow Hill, them people protect them breadfruit tree. So at the same thing, if they did a good market for the rest of fruit them, nobody will cut down one mango tree. Nobody will cut down no fruit tree.
No.
So when the government have beg we know we have plant back some tree, you know, like Labor Day, we have a come now next week Tuesday. Come in Labor Day. Them ask we say everybody to plant a tree.
What kind of tree?
Any tree because here right now.
Fruit tree may plant.
You plant a fruit tree. You plant a fruit tree. So
Generation.
where them a try to build back now, them a try to build back the environment because the environment are damaged. Because the tree then gone. Right. So them a tell we now say we fi try plant a tree. Especially coming Labor Day the 23rd, them a ask each and every man to plant. Everybody go plant a tree.
Yeah.
Labor Day.
Definitely.
You know, so right there so we are trying to build back.
If I'm a sorrel tree.
No, that a one perishable tree, that never last no time. If I want guava tree, you plant it because
papaya tree.
it can keep, it will keep shade for we.
Yeah.
It will keep better environment. It will make we have more rain than even now because that's how we are cause a drought now. Because the environment change, you understand?
And
So,
not only that, you know, because you have some things, some old factory and something out there.
yes.
Yeah, where
we are sending off some kind of pollution. Yeah man.
Burn out
Yeah man, it damage the environment in a whole, you know. We damage the environment, we damage the sea of course.
More time you plant the things, you know.
Yeah.
And the tree will fall from up there, you find say we shall to drop on the leaf.
Yeah.
Burn it.
Yes.
So it mix up with some
Farmer chemical will come from out of the factories
air.
them. Yeah man, we know that, you know. So this one now.
The tree is necessary.
Yes.
Because here we now. You see all the radiation now where I come across.
Yeah.
The tree deal with it, you know, before it reach you, you know.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
All them ready.
That's why.
All them long pole, the way you see them
Yeah,
in the air.
yeah. Digicel pole, flow pole, whatever antenna pole and whatever pole.
If
Yeah.
you could have seen the radiation we have fall off of those.
Yeah, we know. That's why them most likely when they choose to plant them in our area when nobody no live. When nobody no live in. Yeah.
Because them flow a lot of radiation.
Yeah man.
So those things with their tree here, that's why you see me now cut down to the tree.
No, you know good to kill the
That's why they put
environment.
them pull it for
Far in the hills where nobody no really live near it, you know.
Say.
If compulsory to put in our area.
You say to height there,
Yeah.
when it a come down, you know, now go reach ground right at the foot.
No man, it's spread.
Drop up the car, we up there.
Yeah man, it's spread.
So it will reach over here.
Yeah, anyway you take it.
It
Anyway
will
you
reach
take it.
it will
Anyway
blow
you
in
take
the ear.
it. Yeah,
It
yeah.
will blow in the ear.
Still reach we man.
Yeah.
You know, but we have to live with all them things too, you know.
Maybe you know have that effect like where if the tree never did it and so,
Yes,
you know?
right.
That's why I say the tree deal with
Deal
it before
with it before it
reach
reach we.
Yeah.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah man.
A real thing, you know.
Real. So with the writing of the Ken Wright pier here
Yeah.
at the park with them
Right.
sitting under a palm tree. Yeah.
that night.
The family, Brooksy and family.
Yeah, and
You know,
we are overlooking the
Sitting
tree.
up on the camera, Miss Cherry Dorian, Iris already, and Ja Brooks.
Same way.
Yeah. Love
Yeah.
your people, you know?
Big up in the
Yeah.
Same way.
team out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
left a thing their thumbs are some subscribe
Like and comment and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Pretty talking to you.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Right. Yeah, you know. So as we say, a mango, me did carry 2 stringy mango for eat for me lunch today, you know, and drink some ice water.
Mango can't full my belly.
But them other girls that know a lick out said they know in that mango something they with me today, you know. So here we go on now. You know, go over supermarket, go get 2 little items when you're ready, you know, and come back, you know.
Mango can't do nothing to me.
Me and Rasta Road here go there, so I'm going to go and squeeze the mango here till you know come back. And we do 1 little bat. So here? So,
One love.
love you know guys.
Stay
Big up on
safe, big up.
yourself. Stay safe. One love and one team out here, you know?
Teamwork, make the dream work.
Same way it go, man.
Let me tell you.
Where you want? What do you want? Never egg naga chocolate.
No, me not do egg.
I did not.
You want the knock then?
No.
Chat.
Look at my egg and left it down.
When you're cherry man, you know.
Yeah, bathroom, you never tell about them sit there.
Brooks, you have to go live around a mangrove. And that Brooks wants me grow a mangrove. I visit around a mangrove there, you know. Like when me eat the fish in it. Let me know that don't be like man. You go see me a take mangrove and then me.
Boy, if you want egg dog.
You know what egg naga?
No, here we have go buy. Yeah, go buy. With them juice, with them fresh juice in
You
it.
want fruit juice or orange juice or pineapple juice?
You want Arizona?
Arizona 19.
You want that?
Then the money they would have can't buy.
Yeah, that's it. You must be a flush matter.
You want one of the Canberry grape one? What books is saying for now?
You know saying I know
What you want,
a stringy
Yeah,
man.
you go.
Me know you say bull and ketchup, that's why me ask him.
Stringy mango, you might eat straight.
Yeah, say one bull and ketchup.
Bull and ketchup you not go buy for me, but me I eat mango now.
Okay. So you want bull and ketchup with your lunch? Alright. That's you, Wally.
Stringy mango, say look. You're good enough, Brooks. A good thing, Mr. They never realize by you. And we can have lunch and you alone never eat that. Not
Yeah, this is time alone and mash you up.
one silver and right stringy mango, you know. Look
You tell him it's mango time, you know.
I just so sad.
Eat and go kill him. That's why they get
That's why we are married.
Let me carry that. Let me carry that bag. I carry that bag, yeah.
This wagon?
How can I plan?
Bandic.
Bandit?
One bandic. 5 CD tree should beer.
5 feet.
Okay, I want eggnog for Roddy.
I want chocolate milk.
Go.